Today I'm going to be teaching you what is a 0-minute pressure cooking time. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I run the website 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. You can get there by going to 365daysofcrockpot.com. I have Instant Pot and slow cooker recipes there for every day of the year. Here on YouTube, I like to share Instant Pot stuff. Today I'm going to be teaching you about a 0 pressure minute cooking time. What the heck does that even mean and why would you use it? Well, there's a few reasons and I'm going to explain that today. First of all, how do you get to 0 minutes on your pressure cooker? When you put food in here, you can click the manual button down here and you can adjust it using the minus button all the way down to 0 minutes. And if you do that, what's going to happen is the pressure in the pot is going to build and build and build until it reaches pressure, and immediately after it has reached pressure, it's going to click over to the keep warm setting and it will not keep cooking anymore. So why would you want to use a 0 minute pressure cooking time? This is good for things that are really tender. For example, peaches. Did you know that you can kind of steam peaches in your Instant Pot? You put a cup of water in there with a steamer basket, then pile the peaches in with the skins, put a 0 minute pressure cooker time. Once this beeps letting you know that it has reached pressure, you can release all that pressure, open up the pot, and those skins will just fall off. Easy peasy. The other thing that I use a 0 minute pressure cooker time for is for broccoli. Broccoli gets really done really quick, and if you try to pressure cook it for any amount of time, it gets mushy. That is, unless you use the 0 minute pressure cooking time. What I do is I keep the broccoli in one big head, I put it in there, cup of water in the steamer basket again, 0 minute pressure cooker time, quick release. Once that's done, I pull out that broccoli, I slice it up, and it's perfectly steamed. The third thing that I use the 0 minute pressure cook time is for steamed green beans. Same thing as the broccoli. I trim off the ends, throw them in there in the steamer basket again with 1 cup of water, 0 minute pressure cooker time, and boom, perfectly steamed green beans for you. I'm sure there's lots of other ways that people use the 0 minute pressure cooker time. I would love to know yours. It's kind of a fun little trick, and now you know what it means when a recipe calls for that 0 minute pressure cooking time. Remember, it takes about 10 minutes for the pot to build pressure. The whole time that the pot's building pressure, the food is getting cooked. So don't worry if something calls for a 0 minute pressure cooker time. The food is cooked. It's just not going to be pressure cooked for very long, or if at all. Hope this was helpful to you today. We'll see you next week on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and join the 365 Days of Instant Pot Recipes Facebook group.